Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to transfer your money from Bitget to your bank account. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your account under bitget.com. Now go ahead over to buy crypto and just click on buy and sell. Okay, click on it, and instead of buying, we're going to click on sell. Click on it. Now go ahead and select the coin that you would like to sell. For example, you have USDT under your Bitget wallet. Now, all you got to do in here is just max it out if you want to, or enter the amount. Okay, for example, 500 USDT, and the receiving currency would be USD, BHP. It's up to you. Okay, click on it, and then once done, go ahead and click on this option that says receive with. Okay, this one right here at the very top is your fiat money or fiat balance. Okay, or if you want to, you could go ahead and send it directly to your Visa. Or you have few more options, which is the second one is P2P. Now you can go ahead and click on view more right here. As you can see, the price per USDT is this amount. Okay. If you have, for example, Unibank, well, go ahead and select Unibank right here, hit on confirm. And then in the next page, it will ask you for your card details. So just go ahead and enter your card details. But if you already have your card number or card details under your Bitget account, you will see that in here. Just select that option, hit on confirm, and just wait for the transfer to fully process. And that's basically it. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead over to buy crypto once more, P2P trading. It's just basically the same. Instead of buying, well, go ahead over to sell. Sell what? USDT, USDC, or whatever. Okay. Sell amount, make sure that you select your specific currency. And then, for example, you wanted to sell 100 USDT. Okay. Payment methods available will be listed in here in this tab. For example, you have Zelle, and the price would be right here. And the highest available price, by the way, is at the very top. Okay. If you do have web money, well, select this option, click on sell, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. And that is how you transfer money from Bitget to bank account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.